Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn blog writing. In your new syllabus, your 11th standard pattern is changing that blog writing concept is included. So, blog writing is very good concept and it is a free mark for you, right? So, most of the students are not well known about the blog writing. So, I am going to explain today what is blog writing, how to write the blog, then how the blog is classified, now creating a blog on internet, all things I'm going to include. And in examination you are very well known about that various topics are there in writing skill, but all if is well known to you, you can write anyone, right? And you can score more marks in that. So what is blog writing? What is blog writing? Blogs are web logs are on or online journal. Blogs or web blogs are online journals. They are online journals. And what is the blogs? Blog is the short form of web blog. Blogs are the short form of web blog. Now, updated frequently, sometimes even daily. Blogs are updated frequently or sometimes even daily. An update, also called an entry or a post. Whatever we put, whatever we create, that is called as an entry or a post, is usually quite short. It should be short. Blocks are short in length, means sentence are few. It is very meaningful and it is very attractive. People should get attracted. It is a modern concept and you can't write just rubbish thing in that. If you are having perfect knowledge of particular field of that particular topic, then only you can include that particular things in that. Otherwise you can't write about that. Then just a few sentences and readers can often respond to an entry online. So just a few sentences means it should be attractive, the sentences should be attractive, and the reader will get attracted towards that particular thing. Then people who write blogs are commonly called bloggers. Who write blogs, they are commonly called bloggers. This is modern concept. You are means you are free to write. You can write any, means you can represent yourself on any topic. It is a modern concept. Means in examination also you have to represent yourself in your own way. There is no need to copy what is blogs and what is all things. Just a topic will be given and you have to write on that. You have to think a little and you have to write on that perfectly. Think from all extreme and then start writing, because when you write, sentences matter a lot. Short but sweet sentences should be included in that writing. There should not be just long lengthy sentences which will be not useful in that particular topic. So steps to write blog. What are the steps to write blog? We are going to see now. You must keep in your mind while writing a blog, understand your audience. What kind of audience you are writing for? Writing means are the students, for students you are writing, or for general you are writing, or for society you are writing, for old people means aged people you are writing, or middle aged people you are writing. Whatever you are writing, that should be in your mind. You should understand that. Start with a topic and working title. Whatever title is given, you have to start with that particular topic. In your um, in 11th board final paper was there, English paper, I have given one topic, blog writing. Write a blog in a proper format on in unity in diversity. Unity in diversity in India with the help of following points. So write about 100 to 150 words. Now In that I have included the point that multiple languages, cultures, religions, variety in food, clothes, festival, social harmony among Indians, national festivals, and unity, appeal for unity. So all these things I have included in that, and on that you have to represent yourself. But lots of the students have not written because the concept was not well known to them. So after that, write an introduction. Whatever topic is there, introduction you have to write about that particular topic. You have to introduce that topic, about what it is, and about what you are going to write in that. Then organize your content. You have to organize your content, mean what to write first, right? Now suppose that unity in diversity is there, and directly you start appeal for unity in first paragraph, and you are writing multiple languages, culture, religions in last paragraph. It will not match. Firstly, you have to start with multiple languages, multiple cultures, multiple religions, then variety in food, step by step. You have to include in that, and at last, you can appeal for the unity, right? So that is the organization of the content. Then start writing, then edit, profit your post. So these two writing you have to do right. Till this in examination you have to include. But when you are writing on internet about any blog you are creating, in that you have to do this thing: edit and profit your post, and fix for formatting, fix for see here, fix for formatting. So you have to format that particular particular post, and then you have to post it, right? So after this we are going to see block classification. So actually the it is classified according to the particular content, right or not? So generally textual for news and commentary. So generally textual format is that. Textual means just a paragraph you put, and that is called general format, and it is a news or a commentary, any comment you are giving on any particular topic. Then art logs focuses on the arts. So whatever art is there, particular you focuses on the art, right or not? That particular art, uh, that particular event, you have to focus on that. The photo blogs are there for photography. If anyone loves photography, they create the blogs on photography, give messages to people on that particular photography. Then sketch blocks are there for sketching. So if you like to sketch any good scenes or any good event, then you sketch it and you post it on the internet. Then blogging for video blogging. Then here you can include the videos of particular event. Suppose that any biological event is occurring, and you can catch that video in your mobile or in your cameras, and you can post it on bloggers website. Then podcasting or audio blogging. In your audio also you can post as a blog, any audio, right or not? So you can create the audio also. Then creating a blog on internet. So how to create a blog on internet we are going to see. If you have knowledge of designing, you can build your own blog on personal website. You can build your own blog on personal website. You can also build own blog on personal website, if you have knowledge of designing, right or not? If you don't have, there are the sites on internet that helps you to create the blogs, right? Then many ready-made blog sites are available. There are many sites on internet, and I have given you some website. You can visit that, how the blogs are written, how the representation of your thoughts is given in that blogs. So here you can see www.livejournal.com, then www.wordpress.com. These are the ready-made site where you can go and create the blog. The particular post is given, and you have to put your the thoughts in that. Then www.blogger.com, www.blogs.myspace.com. Then these above bloggers help you to control your own blogs, right? This helps to control your own blog, right? This above websites help you to create the blog and write the things what you like. So here, just I have told you, just will revise that this is very good topic to you, and you can start writing blogs if you are means fond of writing. If you don't write to write on notebook, you can also share your thoughts on internet. So this is a good concept to share your thoughts or share your information, whatever information you know, you can share on internet, right? It is very modern concept, and you should adopt it and you should go forward. So this is very good to you that these modern concepts are included in this particular syllabus. So hope so you will study and you will do about this blog writing concept. You will study at home, and it is not a practicing subject, just you have to collect the information on that particular topic. So various topics are there nowadays, whatever topics are there, global warming might be there, then rainwater harvesting might be there, then various topics are there, no plastic, right or not? So various topics on that particular topic, you can include your knowledge in that. Now many students are well known about that particular topic, but uh, they are not well known about the blog writing means they don't know. So this is just means you have to formulate your thoughts in that particular, you have to write your thoughts in that, and information you have to add, you have to create the blog, and you have to publish it means socially. So this is the way to complete your blog writing concept. So hope so you have understood and you will do all the things, complete the notes and study well. If you have any problem, please contact me. Thank you. Stay home, be safe.